SPED Up Paperwork can complete your student observation narratives immediately after you finish your observation data collection. No more typing up your report after you finish the observation. Simply record the student's behaviors into the form in real time. A timestamp will be added to each behavior log that will structure the auto narration when you're finished. Make note of any objective details throughout the student observation by using complete sentences in the provided box. Once the observation is completed, click the Submit button and a fully personalized, detailed PDF narrative will be available with a summary of the student's information and observation. Simply upload the PDF into your IEP data center or your student's file, or copy and paste the report into the appropriate database.